made a little mistake.
No problem. Let's erase and try again with Ellie the Eraser.
I drew a cat, but it looks like a frog.
Oopsie, oopsie, I messed up my log.
But do I cry? Oh no, my friend.
I just erase it and try again. Erase it, try again. Erase it, try again.
Oops, oops, fix that line.
Ellie helps and now it's fine. Erase it, try again. Erase it, try again.
Make mistakes, that's okay. We learn better every day.
I spelled banana with an extra Z. My teacher smiled and looked at me.
Let's fix it up, she said with grace.
So I took Ellie,
Erase that place.
erase it, try again. Erase it, try again.
Don't give up, just take your time. Ellie makes your work shine.
Erase it, try again. Erase it, try again.
Mistakes are part of how we grow.
Let's fix it up now, go, go, go. Can you find a mistake on your paper? Let's fix it with Ellie. Erase and smile.
Swish, swish, rub, rub, wipe, wipe, bub, bub. Now it's clear, now it's neat. My paper's looking super sweet.
Erase it, try again. Erase it, try again.
You're a star, you're so smart with your eraser and your heart.
Erase it, try again. Erase it, try again.
Learning's fun when we play.
Let's erase and shout hooray.
Hi.
Hi, I'm Ellie the Eraser, and I love helping you fix your work. Keep learning, little genius.